from Styleologie. Today I am collaborating with Splat using their 10 wash color to dye my hair pink. I'm super excited because I have been gray for 2 years now and I have been way too afraid to try any other color because of commitment issues and just being scared of what that color will look like on me and if I'm gonna make it work and so forth. But this 10 wash color allows me to try it out with low commitment just for a week or so, for 10 washes to be exact, and we'll see how it goes. Alright, so to get started we need the Splat product, the 10 wash. Today I have Pink Pride. I'm going to go for a pastel pink, and the cool thing about this 10 wash Splat product is that the longer you leave it in, the brighter the color is, so you can really choose and see what shade you want it to be, whether you want to go hot pink or pastel pink, either or, just you can choose. The product comes in so many different colors, but I chose this one because I've always wanted to do pastel pink. Alright, let's open it up. Woo, it's bright. Gloves and instructions. No bleach, so it's very not damaging to your hair. Alright, let's get started. To get started, I have an old t-shirt on because the dye will stain, and I have one of these little hair dye dinghies, but you can also definitely just use your hand to try it out. Now, first things first, I do want to test a little strand of my hair to make sure the pastel pink that I am going for is attainable through, let's say, 5 to 10 minutes. Let's try 5 and see how bright this pink turns out. Back, so as you can see, the color transferred really easily. This was left in for like 5-6 minutes. Took me a while to get my camera to get going. So this is what it looks like, and I actually really like it. It's a little pastel violet-ish, not too crazy bright. That's definitely light enough. I would say I think I'm gonna try this on my whole head now, but maybe right at 5 minutes. Let's give it a go. Here we go. For a color you've always wanted to try out and you're afraid of committing full time to it, go ahead and try out Splat 10 wash colors. Definitely worth the purchase. Only about, I believe, $9 or so, $7 to $9. You can buy it at your local Walmart, Rite Aid, CVS, and Ulta stores. And don't forget to give me a follow on Instagram at Styleologie. Thank you.